High above the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, standing at an awe-inspiring height of 98 feet, 30 meters, with arms outstretched to embrace the world, is one of the most iconic landmarks on the planet, Christ the Redeemer. We started our journey to the summit at the Corcovado train station. Visiting Christ the Redeemer is the #1 tourist attraction in Rio. So, the place is crowded with visitors. Here is our guide Cristiano describing the place.
Hello, good morning everybody. Here we are at the Christ Redeemer. This is one of the 7 wonders that's gonna be seen now. Just for you to know, has been here since 1931.
The entire project took close to a decade to finish. Pictures highlighting the chronological advance of the construction are shown on the wall here in the tram station. Perched atop the 2,300-foot, 700-meter, Corcovado Mountain, this colossal statue of Jesus Christ is more than just an architectural wonder. It is a symbol of faith, peace, and unity. The idea for this monument dates back to the 1850s. But it wasn't until the 1920s that construction began. Designed by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa, and sculpted by French artist Paul Landowski, Christ the Redeemer was completed in 1931, after 9 years of meticulous craftsmanship.
So in 1931, they decided to have a big Catholic monument in the world that was done here in 1931, but nowadays it's one of the 7 wonders. So let's see what you're gonna see, the magic view from the Christ Redeemer, one of the 7 wonders.
During such time, several iterations or versions of the tram were built and used. The tram that is running currently is the 4th generation. This one runs on electricity to minimize environmental pollution. The train ride to 700 feet Corcovado Mountain top is a steep one. This track that we are traveling now was laid down to bring the materials for constructing the statue. Our tram stopped to allow to pass a train on the opposite track. Street vendors took the opportunity to sell bottled water to passengers to quench their thirst in the very warm weather. After 20 minutes ride, the tram stopped at the Corcovado Mountain top. Still, we had to climb several flights of stairs to reach the statue. Here is the guide Cristiano again.
Because the rainforest that we are seeing now is part of the coffee plantation. Original, our coffee came from Ethiopia, from Africa. And now we're gonna see this magic view, of course, with the Christ Redeemer, one of the 7 wonders. The Christ was built in 1931, the hands and the head came from France. The monument has about 48 meters. It's made by concrete and covered by soapstone, a typical Brazilian stone. The altitude here will be around 740, including of course the monument that we will see. Long time ago, at the heart of the Christ, we could have a view to see the whole area of Rio. Due to this time, we have a church in honor of the Black Madonna, one of the typical saints from Brazil. Okay, so enjoy the view and enjoy the Christ. Thank you.
The structure was built using reinforced concrete and soapstone, materials chosen to withstand the harsh weather conditions at this altitude. Christ the Redeemer is not just a work of art, it carries deep spiritual and cultural significance. For many, it represents Christ's love and protection over Brazil. Every year, millions of visitors, pilgrims, tourists, and photographers alike, make their way up Corcovado to witness its grandeur and take in the breathtaking views of Sugarloaf Mountain, Copacabana, and the vast Atlantic Ocean. In 2007, Christ the Redeemer was recognized as one of the new 7 wonders of the world, solidifying its place as a global treasure. Today, it continues to inspire awe, whether through the golden hues of sunrise, the misty embrace of the clouds, or the glowing illumination at night. Whether you come here for spiritual reflection, artistic admiration, or simply to witness one of the greatest views in the world, Christ the Redeemer stands as a timeless reminder of hope, love, and the beauty of human craftsmanship. A dedicated church for Black Madonna is at the base of the statue of the Christ the Redeemer statue. As Brazil's patron saint, the Black Madonna, or Our Lady of Aparecida, serves multiple roles. She is a religious entity, a political symbol, and a cultural icon. Found in 1717 at the bottom of a river with mud coating her face, Our Lady of Aparecida quickly became a strong image of the Black Madonna for Brazilians. This is more than just a statue, it is a guardian over Rio, a beacon for believers, and a masterpiece of history. If you enjoyed this journey through history and beauty, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next adventure.